Okay, so I just want to show 26 to you. So this is the formula that you can use. Uh, it is one way to do it, but I would just do multiplication. I think that's the easiest way. So just using the formula, this is the way you would do it. But I would go right here and just FOIL. So you want to do like the first term times the first term, the outer two terms, the inside two terms. So like the first term here times the first term times the last term, the inside terms together, and then the last terms together. And if you do that, you'll end up with this, and it looks messy, but it's just the first term, the outside terms, the last terms, or sorry, the inside terms, and then the last terms. So you'll just end up with four things, and then we are just simplifying. So -1 times -1 is 1. Then we have -5i plus 5i, and -25i squared, because we have I times I. And the big thing to remember with I squared is that it's -1. So that's the big thing with that. So the -25i squared became a positive 25 here. And the -5i and the 5i cancel each other out. And so you're left with just 1 plus 25, which is equal to 26.